What's going on, guys? Chris back with you with another review video, and this is for the new upgraded I say, lower back, lumbar, thigh, quad, butt massager, shoulder massager. You guys might have seen these before. They have little arm holes on them. We'll get to that in just a second here. But these things are miracle workers. And just like all my videos, in the description box below the video, you're going to find a direct link for this product. Read more reviews about it. Pick one up yourself. You guys in the UK, I'll have you linked as well if they sell it in the UK. If not, one very similar to it. So look for your links in the description box below. Anywho, this thing is absolutely fantastic. Nice soft cloth here. We do have arm holes here, which is Velcro, adjustable for the different arms. We do have our little plug-in adapter here. And this, they're marketing as the human touch. Very quiet, very nice on my back. I've been using this after kickboxing classes, Muay Thai classes. My body's beat up. I come home, I shower, I sit on the couch, I watch some TV, relax, whatever. I'll show you guys a couple examples later in the video of what I personally do with this while I'm watching TV. Set it on my lumbar, my back goes up against it like this, holds it in place, the pressure is beautiful, has heat, which is not too hot and not too low. It's just right, not over the top like seat warmers in your car. It actually feels very nice. You do have your on and off button here on the side. We do have counterclockwise or clockwise, depends on what you want, the different modes there. We have mode 1 and 2. And mode 1 is going to be uniform speed kneading style. Mode 2 is going to be slow speed pulsating style. And then of course you do have your heat on and off buttons right on the side right here. It does have a 15-minute automatic shut-off time. So if you're watching a 30-minute show, run 2 cycles, you're done. Let me show you what people do use it for in the cars or whatnot. Gonna have to put my hat on regular here. So you would have it like this for your shoulders, and all it is the pressure of my arms. I'm not pulling at all, I'm just literally setting them right here on my chest. If I was watching TV, I would be grabbing my shoulders here, my neck, bringing it up. You guys get the idea. And then you literally could take your arms out of these things or keep them in if you want, sitting at the computer, watching YouTube videos, watching a movie. Let me go ahead and show you right there. As it's laying up on the couch or holding it, again, you have 2 different ways of doing it. I personally like to do it while I'm on the couch. I just use my back pressure. Put it like, let's say if this was the couch, putting it on like this, sitting up straight, getting your posture, also 2 for 1 right there, and watching television. It's absolutely phenomenal. It does come with a pretty sweet 6-foot cord. I just drape it over the back of the couch, plug it in while I'm watching TV. It does also come with a car adapter, so you can use it with a cigarette adapter in the car and a soft cloth. Let me show you that real quick. Here is the soft cloth. It does have Velcro on it there, and that would like go over this area here or whatever you guys can come up with. Anyway, soft cloth there, and then a cigarette adapter plug-in cord for your car. Just be careful when you are using this in the car. You don't want to fall asleep while you're driving. But as we can see here, like if you're at your office desk or whatnot, set it down in your lower lumbar, upper back if you have a high back office chair, and bada bing, bada boom, guys. All right, let me go over here and show you now what we do on the couch. This is how I've been using it here, again, against the back of the couch here. And then while I'm watching TV, I actually raise it up, and the weight of my back will keep it up here if I want to alter it, higher back, lower back. Absolutely wonderful as you're watching the show of your choice. 15-minute cycles, whatever. I like the heat on, especially after kickboxing. You got the projector, dial it in real nice. Again, the plug just goes over the back of my couch. I drape it over the top of the couch there. We're all good to go. Absolutely phenomenal. Let me show you another option. I do use it for my lower back. The other day, my lower back just above my butt was actually pretty sore. So what I did is I laid it on the floor like this, plugged it in. I have an outlet right over there, and I just draped it right on the carpet area right here. And I literally just laid down, put my knees up, so the pressure of my lower back right on top of my butt was right on the nice massagers. And my wife came home, she's like, "What are you doing?" I was like, "This is fantastic." Went to kickboxing, felt like $1,000,000, was able to perform fantastically. This massager definitely helps. So I'm gonna show you what I'm talking about here. Again, I just had my knees up like this, and I was able to keep it on my lower back right above my butt.
and then I would just massage away while I'm just chilling here like this. Absolutely fantastic, guys. Again, many different options. Lower back, calves, butt, thighs, quads, shoulders. You guys get the idea.
And what I do like about it, I have reviewed one like this before and it has done fantastically on the channel, but what I love about this one is that it is an upgraded model. It's actually a lot quieter than my previous one I've reviewed, and this one feels very, very nice. Again, look in the description box below the video where you can read more about this one, even pick this one up yourself. Trust me, you're not gonna regret it, especially after my sore back and lumbar feel great after exercise using this bad boy. Definitely appreciative. Well, you guys have a wonderful day and I will see you on the next review. My name is Chris. Bye-bye for now.